let's move on towards the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8, in a quadrilateral PQRS, let me do zoom here. Fine. So, as SO and RO are the bisector of angle S and angle R respectively as shown in the figure, then you have to prove SOR is equals to half of SOR is equals to half of angle P plus angle Q. This you are supposed to prove. So, we will prove easily. Let's have a look on this figure. So this is given that OS and OR bisector of the angle S and R respectively. Bisector means that this will divide into two equal angles. Okay. This means this angle is equals to this and this one angle is equals to this. For differentiating, I'm just writing 1 and 2. Okay. So that because I don't want my video length should be greater, should be long. So that means it will take time to upload. That's why. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That means according to the question, angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. This is given thing. Okay. Now you have to prove SOR is equals to how SOR which comes in this triangle, in this SOR triangle, and that should be equal to angle P plus angle Q. So first of all, here apply the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means angle S plus angle R plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to what? 360 degree. Fine. And now angle S is what? Angle S is your angle 1 plus angle 2, or you can say it is 2 times of angle 1 or 2 times of angle 2. Why I'm saying? Because like angle S is what? Angle S is angle 1 plus angle 2 and both are equal. So because we want SOR, so we will apply angle sum property in this triangle. So we want angle 1 and 3. So that's why we will keep, because angle 1 is equals to, and we will write here in place of angle 2 we will write here angle 1, and it will become 2 times of angle 1, or we can, and so S angle S can be write as 2 times of angle 1, so 2 times of angle N. Similarly, angle R will be written as 2 times of angle 3 plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to 360 degree. Fine. So just take out 2 common. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to 360 degree. Now more than this you cannot do anything now. What you will do next, just keep this equation like this. Next we will apply the angle sum property in SOR, and that will give you angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle O is equals to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle SOR is equals to what? 180 degree. So in place of angle 1 plus angle 3, I can write 180 minus angle SOR. Yes, I can write. Yes. So what I will do, I will equation first. Means here it is written 2 angle 1 plus angle 3. So in place of angle 1 plus angle 3, I will write 2 into 180 minus SOR. 2 into 180 minus SOR. So I will write here 2 into 180 minus angle SOR plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to 360 degree, or it will be 360 minus 2 times of SOR plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to 360 degree. This 360 will cancel out, this 2 SOR will go there. So because we want to make it positive, then this 2 will come down, and thus done that we are supposed to prove this. SOR is equals to half of angle P plus angle Q. What we have done, nothing you can say special concept we have applied all the, you can say, previous concept, that is sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral and sum of all the angles in a triangle and the bisector one.